I didn't record a bunch of the stuff because I just wanted to focus on the work that I had ahead of me. And I think the last time we left off, I was in here, and we ripped out that board, which I have to still replace. And here's Vigo checking it all out. Vigo, what do you don't even want to talk to me? So, yeah, gotta just replace that. It's gonna go all the way. So that's what we left off, but I went and started painting, and I did the and I did the living room. Painted the walls because there were scuff marks everywhere. I did the floorboards, however, they could bear a secondary coat. And I painted the door. I think you did see the door being painted, but then I went back and painted the door, with a gloss. And I need to put that threshold barrier. Oh, let me show you. I painted the outside of the house, only the walls, the stucco. So the stuccoed walls are painted a lighter, soft, subtle color. And I wanted to, funny enough, record. I was so tired. I wanted to do like those yard lawn mowing videos. I mowed the lawn, although I need to touch up, but yeah, mowed the lawn. I did a couple of runs to Home Depot, and we've got floorboards, laminate. They don't match these boards, but I'm going to consolidate. Like I mentioned, there's damaged boards and I have to replace them. So I'm just going to have to do what I'm going to have to do. Maybe consolidate out towards the kitchen and push everything this way. All the good boards. And then the rest will be a change in the floor boards, the style. So we'll see how that works out. But this floor color is discontinued. This is what they had. Pretty much darker, different design. What are you gonna do? And of course, I'll show you. Do you wanna? I painted the kitchen. So I painted the kitchen, and I still need to touch up. Got rid of all that grease. Oh, and the ceiling as well. I still got to do this lamp. Get rid of all that gook that's on the lamp itself from cooking and all that. And the stove and the tiles around here. And I got to fix the edging around this lamp as well, which I installed. So a lot of stuff. There's some other things. I got this concrete mix to resurface the patio, at least the areas that need it. So there's damage here. I gotta fix that. See, I did the doors nice and clean. That's the hallway door. But going back to this room here, we mentioned the locks. I gotta fix that door. Although I do have those doors over there, I don't know if you see them. I'd much rather try to repair that. I'm gonna think about that. Oh, I gotta paint all these scuffs here. So, man, it's so steamy. But yeah, that's the update. And what I'll do is I'll stop here and I'll get back to you with the next episode. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work, and I'll see you guys